Specially customized 20 kHz ultrasonic transducer. Ultrasonic transducer is the main part of ultrasonic device. Its quality directly affects the whole machine. Piezoelectric ceramic ring is the core part of the transducer. It converts electric energy into mechanical vibration. Ultrasonic transducer is composed of stack bolt, background driver, electrode, piezoelectric ceramic rings, and flange. Nowadays, ultrasonic transducer has been widely used in agriculture, transportation, medical treatment industries, etc. We insist on using high-quality raw materials for manufacturing high-quality ultrasonic transducers. Welcome to Inquiry High Quality Customization Service.